Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have California Found for September. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my September California Found just arrived. It does come in a mailer bag that I remove, and this is what happens when you open it. You always get your cards on top, and it is all nice and prepared. So what they do is they give you a card for each individual product that's in your box, and it goes over all of the information about each one. So let me go ahead and find right on top. I have this from Modern LKLY Folk Art. And I'm not sure what these are. There's like a set of two. These remind me of like washcloths that my grandmother had made me when she was alive. That's what it looks like, but with just like a thicker yarn. I'm not sure. It says at LKLY Designs, you'll find quality handcrafted woven goods for the home. Each product is carefully handmade, one piece at a time. This month we brought you Scrubby Set, which happens to go quite nicely with your zero waste dish block. So that must be in here as well. Use the small one for your dishes and the larger one for your body. They're lightly abrasive and soft at the same time. And this is a set retailed for $22. You can use code CaliFound15 for 15% off your purchase at their website, lklYdesigns.com, and it expires at the end of the year. So there's the first item right there. Then, I wonder if this is that thing they were talking about. This says vegan dish washing block. There's that. And this says No Tox Life was founded by mother and daughter team based out of LA. They now hand make over 100 goods for bath, body, and home, and are expanding their zero waste offerings this year. This featured product is a dish block zero waste dish washing bar, and the retail value is $12.98. Use code CaliforniaFound for 20% off. At NOTOXLIFE.com, expires at the end of the year. So to use, rub a wet sponge on the concentrated dish block bar until it lathers. Then wash your dishes as usual. Use the scrubber for tougher stains on pots and pans. Store on a well-drained soap dish or rack to keep it dry. Clean everything. Use it for clean duty all over your home. Takes stains out of laundry, takes labels off of jars, spot cleans carpet, or wipes and used for wiping down counters. Huh, so it's more than just dishwashing. It does a whole lot of different things. So that is really neat. So I will definitely try that out. So it's saying basically swap 3 bottles of normal liquid for this 1 bar of soap. And then you have no plastic or anything, so it's better for the environment. That's really neat. So we have that item. Then, oh yes, that's right. I got spoilers, and we were getting 2 different nail polishes. So we have 2 nail polishes from 7 True. These are retail value of $30. So I don't know if it's $30 each or $30 for both, because it says featured product, nail polish in summer forever and fall back. Retail value for $30. So I'm gonna assume that's for both. There's that. And you can use code 7TCAFound for 10% off your purchase at 7SEVEN True TRUE.com. So that is really pretty. I mean, you have a really nice burgundy and then like more of a natural color. So this one here is the Summer Forever, which is more of like a natural color. And this one is the Fall Back, which is like a burgundy. So I think those are very good for this time of year. So that's really cool. So we have that item. Next we have, and we have two of these, and they look like they're different. Traditional chocolate chip salted apricot caramel. Ooh, that sounds amazing. So we have these two items right here. A cozy cup of coffee or tea. Featured product, 3 in a pack with $6 each. So here's $12 right here. You can use CA Found for 10% off your purchase. Expires 11/30/19 at SUBARZSWEETS.com. And since this is different, I want to try the salted apricot caramel. That sounds really good. If I can get it open. So it's like individually done. I'm getting the saltiness and like the more of the outside. And then you have the sweet from the inside of like a cookie batter or whatever this is made out of, with that apricot being sweet mixed with the salty. And then you get the caramel. That is a really good combination. And I thought they were gonna be kind of hard because me holding them, like they seem pretty hard, but they're not when you bite down into it and you chew them. It has a good consistency. So I actually really like that. So again, those are $6 each. And then the last item in here, this must be our jewelry item. They normally have some type of a jewelry item in here. So it's in this little bag. And that's what it looks like. Featured product is a dainty gemstone necklace with raw Amazonite. Is that Amazonite? I don't know. Labradorite, peach moonstone, or white moonstone. So this one says sterling silver, 18 inches. This is definitely not the white moonstone or the peach. So I'm going to assume this is either the Labradorite, I'm not sure how you say that, or the I have no clue. I have no clue. And those are the different colors that they had featured this month. This is valued for $28. You can use code CA Found for 15% off your purchase. Expires at the end of the year at LANIMAKANA.com. So let me get this off of here. The chain is neat because it has like, it's not just a straight chain that looks, I'm not sure if that's 18. It has like little points. You see the little like circles around there? So it's not just a regular chain. It has a little bit of curve appeal. Let me get this box out of my way. Let me take this off. I normally never take this one off. So there is that. That is very dainty and it actually fits. It's not too tight. It's a little higher up than I'm used to wearing, but that would be very good if you have like a higher necklined shirt so you can see it. It's just very dainty and it's very pretty. I do like that. So again, that was valued at $28. So that is everything that came in this month's box. We have this dainty, pretty necklace here that's sterling silver. We have the set of 2 different colors that are nice for fall for the nail polish. We have 2 different types of these little, would these be considered cookies or some kind of a little sweet bars or whatever you want to call those. You have this washing block and 2 like washing towels. So that is what we got in this month's box. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. The total value for this month's box will be right here. Now, if you guys do want to know about California Found, you can use my code SheCrafty, get 20 for 20% off your first order. Now, month to month, it's $49. Shipping is $7.95 for the US, $16.95 for Canadian, and $23 for international. They ship between the 25th and the 30th of every month, and it renews monthly. You can cancel at any time, and they find amazing things from local artisans, all based from California. This is my California box, which I do love and I do enjoy. I do enjoy getting, because I am originally from California, currently living in a Florida world, and this kind of makes me feel like I have a little bit of home delivered to my doorstep here. And I do love this box. They give you a whole bunch of different ranges, from sometimes you'll find candles or rubs or scrubs. I've had a succulent plant, yes, a plant inside that you got to put together. There's always like a jewelry item. There's sometimes stuff for your kitchen. There's just so many cool things that come in this box that you never would have known. Even me living in California, I never would have known about them. So I really do like this. Each box tells a story of a unique selection of California makers through their products of an individual note card indicated for each one. That's why they do the individual cards. And then let's see here, this month, we are also super excited to announce that we have become members of 1% for the Planet. We've committed to donating at least 1% of our gross revenue to 1% for the Planet's mission to build, support, and activate all alliances of individuals and businesses financially committed to creating a healthy planet. We are honored to be a part of the community. To date, has invested more than $225 million in positive environmental change. Learn more about 1%fortheplanet.org. Each month, one box contains our golden ticket, which entitles the recipient one free box. So look carefully and good luck, sunshine. So they always do give back, and so on their card, they will tell you who they're donating to for that particular month. The last few months, it's been to like something with helping with the beaches, that kind of thing. So it's always different, but they do tell you on their card who they are donating some of their profits to for that particular month. So that is everything that was in this box. That is everything about this box. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.